What's his name again?
Potter. Eric.
Watch the front. Come on, Ryan. Another season you're blocking the camera. Oh, that's beautiful. That's you. Got shot. Got shot.
Get back.
Cover back.
Get back. Someone get back. Watch out, D.
Don't pinch up. Hang on.
Yeah, you don't dive in on that. Barb.
There you go. You got some room.
Back, D.
What number? I don't remember what number it was.
Stay back, Dave, stay back.
Come on, start talking, guys. Make some passes. What's the cross pass procedure? I got him wide open. You got me? Yeah, I can't. 2-on-1, we can make it work. Back and forth. Give and go. Coming hard, Mark. You got him beat.
Oh my God.
He almost put it. That's fine.
Step up on him.
Watch the middle. Hey, behind you. Hey, coming hard on.
Spread out. Good, Mark. Just you. No pressure from behind, you good.
Coming hard.
Have it on. Nice.
You got it. Watch the middle. Come on. You ever get a shirt for last season? Yeah, Frank gave it to me. Yeah. Go on, Mark. Go get it. Come on. Look up. Come on, Rob. Get ball in front. Run out. There's a choice. Put on. Come back forward. Got room. Isaac. Got lots of drop. 1-2.
That anyway.
Wait a look.
Shut, Mark.
Ooh. Keep with that, guys. Pressure him. Someone pressure him.
Stuck on his backhand. Good.
Put on. One coming.
Take across.
Good.
D. Now, come on, guys. D.
Nice. Oh, there you go. Pass it out. We played against him before. Oh, really? Hey, Mark. Even though you were below the dots, that thing was. Wait, hold on.
Oh! Keep with that, Adrian.
give him a pass. Stay on him.
Good job, Mark. Look up, you gotta cross. There you go.
Go to middle, go to middle. Still there, still there.
Mark, did you expect it to rise like that?
One on, one on. Good play. Get back, he's behind you. Come on guys, spread out, spread out. You got two. Make your passes. Net. Yeah, good job, Ed.
What was last season?
Yeah.
I switched over to play with my brother.
Oh, cool.
I guess they lost Tyler last season.
Yeah, he hurt his knee or ankle. Big
Yeah, I
time.
think ankle last game.
Get the ball there, Mike. Get the ball there.
Go, Mark. You got time, you got time. The perfect angle.
Tight.
Look at me, that was a big shot.
Trying to, but the guy had a stick in the way.
No, that was perfect. There you go.
Push him out.
You got a second. Way over here. Keep going, you good. Pressure coming now. Cross.
Oh, that was pretty good.
One coming on.
My head up.
Cover. Mark.
One on you.
Oh, okay. Oh, you can cover the ball. One to beat. We got it. Quick. My guys it up. Not bouncing stuff, but it's
Behind you, Adrian, that's you. He's yours. Down early, so let him make his move and then shoot around him.
Coming back.
At least Ryan's wheels aren't squealing this season. Get some new wheels, new bearings. Still playing Friday nights over there?
Behind you.
No, a little tough.
Yeah.
They were like earlier Sundays.
How'd you guys do last season?
Second place.
Nice play.
Point.
Center.
There you
Nice
go.
pass.
Quick.
Throw it on.
Get him back. Good job.
Go to net, Adrian.
One out. Ed. Move it out. Here you go. Easy.
Come on, get back, D. Middle.
Oh, nice. Oh, man.
Get back, D. Get back, D. Get back.
One on.
Watch out for Mark.
There you go. There you go. We got across. Nice try.
That's his back.
Right back. Back at him. Cover your boards.
Oh my gosh.
Throw it in.
Oh my gosh.
Handcuff you?
There. Let's go, Ryan. Ryan. Good. Minimize it. Go. Come on. Good job. Good job, Matthew. Mark. Up. On your back. Middle. Lead the point. Watch your back, Mike. Way up top. Good job. Point, Steve.
Try to beat your investment was 2-2.
I was in front of them because I thought
I had to get it.
Faster there!
Yeah! Nice job, guys.
Keep at it.
Did I get an assist for my tip over there?
Get up.
Yeah.
Forward.
Yeah.
Just take them off.
Hey, was your first empty? That backhand was a little soft, man.
No, I was trying to pass the soft to Mark to get a shot. It just, there's too many sticks, dude.
Yeah, a little time. There you go, turn and burn.
Thanks for getting that on video, though.
There you go. Load it up.
Oh, whistle.
Let him cover.
Come on, blow the whistle.
Yeah.
One on.
You all right, Mikey?
Got slot.
Yeah.
Good job.
That didn't count the hole.
Hey, you're lucky that hit you in the diaper, Mikey.
Where did it hit?
Oh, it was right here.
Hey, he's lucky his diaper was on.
Didn't he play goalie? He's like the one that, he's like everywhere. He jumped out of it.
Someone get in front. Bring that around. Go back.
Stay back, D. Stay back.
Push him out.
Good job.
Push him outside. Watch the slot.
And Mark, pressure, Mark. There you go. One coming with you hard.
Nice try. Get back, get back.
Came back. You're all right.
Push him out.
Oh, that's a good shot.
Nice. I gotta change.
Good shot from there.
Got time. Yeah, take the middle.
Like you said, I was on you guys.
Yeah, Steve.
Drink some water.
Good, Steve. Go there, Steve.
Oh, almost. Adrian, you play on Sunday too? No. Not this season?
Go there.
Middle. Get back.
You got it, Isaac. You got it, Isaac. Good try.
Nice.
Go on.
Good shot. Up.
Oh, wow.
Middle.
You guys skate out too, or just a Nick?
He's down in the pack.
Switch. What does he like better? No.
He's pretty good. Goal. He hasn't played goal in like 4 years.
He looks
When is that?
Something felt wrong. I heard him yelling stick. I'm like, oh.
I thought it was Brian's that broke.
I'm like 15-year-old stick comes out of retirement.
Yeah, all I want to know is how come this season you're actually trying to hustle?
I don't know. Maybe I don't have the pressure from some of the other players barking all the time. It's a little more fun.
Good. Come on, Isaac.
I had fun. Don't get me wrong. It's just easier, you know?
Cover the pass.
Yeah, this team's pretty balanced.
And all our passes are like just missing. Whether they're deflected or not.
That one where I passed you in the center, like you were turning back just the opposite way that I thought you were. Otherwise, it would have been right there. That's your man. Good job. This is gonna suck.
I got it.
Good job, Adrian. Good read. He's right behind you. You got numbers. Get on back.
Push him out.
Good job, Adrian.
Did Dougie try to
Look
just
up, you
toe
got
jag
time.
that? He did, huh?
Oh. There you go. Good work.
Push it up, Adrian.
They're running a little three triangle.
Guys behind you. Just enough of Nick's stick on that. Couldn't get away from us. Does he ever show up? Huh? Does he ever show up? Yeah. Okay, you got boards.
1 minute left, guys. 1 minute left.
You got 2 on 1. Daddy, spread out.
He's like way out past the red line.
Admit.
Mitch is below the dots, dude. The lower dots.
30 seconds.
Let him finish the period, Steve. It's only 20 seconds.
20 seconds they can score. Take your time, take your time.
10 seconds, 10 seconds.
Oh.
There you go, Mark!
Is that when I took a take off?
My legs are cramping up bad, man. It's alright. Jump in there, man. Almost.
How's your shoes?
You got oh, don't waste it. You tell me you haven't been able to do that.
Fine, I did. Actually, I would have had an assist earlier in this game if you want to fuck up my pass.
I know, man. You know what? When I went to look back, I lost control of the puck.
It wasn't really a pass. It was
It's not the finest of pass, but it made it to my stick.
Vargo. What's up, bud?
Okay, better take video of me. No, you're gonna leave. You're gonna leave.
What team are you on the Rain, huh?
Stay with him, Isaac. Better take video of all the incredible saves. Step up, step up. You got it.
It's the Rain, right?
Yeah.
How many guys?
I'm gonna be on this video. I better stop that. Point, Steve. This point. Back around, back around. Good, Steve. Come back, Isaac. That's a nice. Oh, two on. Pull it up. Good job. Nice tackle. You have room. 3 on 2. Go 3 on 2 if you're hurt. Green. Oh, too long. Behind. Come back, dude. Back, dude. Go there. Yeah, Dougie. Go. Stay with him.
Oh, nice save.
Oh, he cut that out. You look like a beluga whale. Almost, man. Next time.
Good job, dude. Come on, Ryan, today.
Got him. One coming. Look up. Yeah, but.
That's a nice glove.
Yeah!
Oh, after initial glove save, too.
Behind him.
That's too bad.
Bring good vibes. Terrible name.
I bring 30 seconds of vibe, that's it. And the rest of the time I'm
Good vibes. Take a toss. Get in the shot. You got one with you. Oh. Bring that in.
Back.
I got one coming. That's you. Oh. There you go. You got all kinds of room. Nice.
That's a good shot. Let me get out of your way, Majesty.
Come on, Ed.
Your wheels?
No, my
your boot?
My boot. Yeah.
What is that?
Look at my cover right in the middle. You got help. All kinds of help. Yeah, middle.
Ooh.
One on. There you go, it's yours.
You gotta cross, you gotta cross.
Ooh, still cross. I told you you need a new blade. Believe me now, huh? One on ya. There you go, good idea. One. Ready? Ready? Go.
Drop it again.
I just want to make sure.
There's a pebble back there, that's right, shit.
Alright. Just trying to break a bone. Need one more. Sit down, drop it.
Move for the wall, really?
Sick. Good, Isaac, shit.
Oh, Isaac, it's your
Jump
ball.
in, jump in.
Cross it.
Good.
How's it going? Open. Oh, nice backhander. Good try.
Two more. Everything's getting fixed.
You're not funny, right?
Point.
Oh, out there doing that on purpose.
Far side, look at far side.
Good job. Go, Isaac. You got time. Oh.
Good passing.
Just get it out of that window.
Good, Steve. Crash. Keep going, Steve. Good. Get back in there.
Up in the game.
Feet. Good. Middle. Isaac.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh. Big save. Just you.
Nice pass.
Nice.
I know. Thank you.
Way to slide across on that.
That's what's up.
On your right. Never mind. Fucking skills right there. All you. Oh, that's Clark. A little special effects for the camera. Same board. Other side. Same team. Back. Good. Take it up. Get back, guys. Get back.
Oh man, just throw it to the
You got
side.
time. Take a look.
One on.
This board.
Oh, nice pass.
Come away from the goalie.
Go. 3 on 2. 2 on 1.
Oh, good pass.
Nice pass here.
Danny, watch the guy coming hard behind you. In the middle. Go with it, Danny.
Dump it, change it, dump it.
Stay back, Adrian, stay back. Help him out.
Hey, nice pass.
Watch the trailer coming in, Danny.
Did Mark miss it or?
I don't know. Every time they keep coming at me, I freeze.
Yeah.
You get around me. Come on, guys, pressure him. One on behind you. There you go. Play to win, guys. Play to win. Watch the cherry picker.
Is it 13? Or 15?
I got it.
Pressure him, Adrian. Come on, you got him. You got him.
Clear. What up?
Nice pass. Oh my gosh.
Oh! Edwin!
Get up, Cody. Did that go in?
4-3?
How you doing, defense?
13 or 15?
Come on, guys. Play smart. Make your passes.
I mean, if you're here, you should be an alternate at least. Because are they short? Especially like if you're off tonight, you'll probably be able to play.
Go skate
hard, Adrian. One behind.
You know they weren't last season.
They wanted this season last time out. Good.
You got time, set it up.
Far side, if you can make it. Go across. Down low.
There you go. Got time.
Quit missing there. Keep Mark.
You got time, Mark.
Way to spread it out. Get back now. Someone else get back, I mean. There you go, you got time.
Open up.
Step back.
Press forward. Go, Mark. Stay middle. Oh, don't do that. Pressure.
Both tabs down, Matthew.
Watch this guy. Back in.
Defense, he's got two back there by himself.
Go low. Get that guy across.
Fuck that.
Stay with him in the middle.
Cover it.
Up boys.
Come out of there. Come on, boys. Talk.
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Good, Mark.
Stop it. Come on.
Good. You're with him, Dave. In front.
Oh, come on. Get in front.
Up.
Oh, you
Point, watch the point. Who's got the point?
Point, Mark.
All right. Talk. Come and get your change.
Keep on. When you go.
Watch the boy.
Good. Middle.
2-on-2.
Back. Hold on.
Come on, little Isaac.
Press the puck. Oh, no. Oh, nice.
Nice job, Matthew.
That's a lucky block, too. I lifted it up. Maybe we play along the board. Play along the board there. Way to go, Edwin! 1-on-1! Keep playing! Other way. That's George Adrian.
Hey Mark, did you slow down in the middle over there, Mark?
Huh?
On his pass?
Did I slow down?
Yeah. Or you just missed it?
Missed it. Nice move.
That was a good play.
In my wheel pal.
You can't buy one.
That was fine. Use that shot.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, Ed, you gotta bury that.
Nice, nice.
Get back! Get back!
He get back. We shouldn't be pinching. We need to pinching.
Early pass over here. You get time like that, early pass.
I know, it's kind of wrong.
Yeah.
Up, shoot up, shoot up.
Oh. You go, Edwin, that's your man right there. Got him. Good job, Mark. You got time.
In this league, or
Get it out. Good job, goal. What did you
I
learn?
think that's probably the problem. Yeah, yeah.
One on.
There you go, there you go.
Defense, defense.
Good, good.
I had 2 chances, man. Couldn't get just
Really good, really good. We don't get him in.
Right into the circle. I thought
Stay with him, Mark.
The other one I was going to put on the 500.
Come on, first line.
I think the guy was behind me. I was like, nope.
Cover that. Hey, Matthew. Matthew, both tabs down, buddy.
Yeah, 5 balls open.
One down him. Buddy, Isaac. Watch middle, watch middle.
Watch the boards, watch the boards.
Okay, Mark. Shot. Hold on, you. Good.
Don't run for this thing, man. It's still nasty.
What is it?
If you hold on to this, it's a Matthew.
You're doing a good job. Stay there. Stay with him, Mark. Stay with him, Mark. Time out, Mark. Good.
Somebody get in front. Open the... Oh, I don't know. Nope, we can never tell. The exact couple of lights that you need to distinguish the numbers are the ones that are hot.
What city are you out of?
Come on, come on, come on, come on, break through!
Oh, dude.
Matthew, both good, Brian. Good, Brian. Stay on him, Brian. Get in, get in. Get out, Isaac. Come on, come on, come on.
Go, 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 go.
Good, Isaac. Have it, have it. Shoot, shoot, shoot. I see you got all day. Screen, screen. Come back, Isaac. Come back. Tie it up, Mark. Tie it up. To you, Isaac. Straight down, straight down, straight down, straight down. Good. Come on. Okay, both speeds are out now. Steve, 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 Steve. Pick him up, pick him up, pick him up, pick him up. Stay in front of him now.
3 nights to 1, come on, let's get out of here!
Good, good, good. Hurry, hurry.
This guy was just walking.
Come on, fix that!
There you go.
I mean, I'm getting hit. You guys are telling me enough?
They're slashing you guys too.
I saw a few two-handers.
dirty team always wins.
Oh my god.
Clear it out!
Clear it out. Jump it. Jump it. A minute 40, guys. A minute 40.
Jump if you have to.
Just clear it out!
Look up, look up, look up. You got Adrian. Good pass. Right back in, right back in. Coming boards.
You got Nick.
Ruben. Take it back.
Mark, how you doing?
Okay.
Oh, nice. That was behind him. Good look though.
Gotcha, kid.
A minute 10, guys. A minute 10. Gotcha. Let's go.
Good job.
Dump it.
There you go. Do it deep.
1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Dump it.
Stop. Hang in the middle, hang in the middle, hang in the middle.
Play deep, play deep.
There you go. Yeah!
Good night.
He's told me twice, man. Third time's the charm.
Oh my god.
Come on, guys.
Get back, Steve. Come on now.
Wide open in front. Nice. Good job, Matthew. Good job, Matt. Watch that center. Good job, Matthew.
Tie his stick, tie his stick. Get it out, get it out, get it out.
There you go.
There you go. That's all you, Mark.
No help, no help. Get 10 seconds. Oh, don't help him. Stay back.
Stay back, stay back, stay back.
5 seconds. Come on.
There you go.
Wait.
Get it, guys.
We win, baby.
Thank you.